What's up, guys? So I'm here at Stevens with his dope ass E30. Has a Pontiac engine in it. I think it's LS1. Pretty sick. Like, this thing is a work of art. Ground control, coilovers, all that. So sick. Half caged. It's freaking so cool. But I love these things too much not to show it while we're doing some little things on it. Nothing crazy. Steven, if you're watching this is not touching your car, for the record. But yeah, I'm putting a lip on. I just forgot to record. So this lip is pretty cool. Like, I don't know what I think it's RS style lip. I'm not really familiar, but these clips that were on the bumper from before go in here. I just had to shave it down in my Dremel a little bit, so it's more flat. That way it would fit in there, but not too much so it's loose. And these are the fog light holders. They were a little bit jammed up and stuff. I'm massaging them flat, but this side is really where the work goes into. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but that dips up a little bit. That's why this thing's broken. Probably had a tiny hit. So this need to come down a little bit so we can meet with the lip. Because look, the lip's on there. You have this little gap here. I took the fog light out and I'm massaging this to get rid of this, I guess, gap. Want it like that, ideally. But that's pretty much the best fitment all around. Even these don't fit like that, just because they have an extra thickness for that. And then we can move on to this side and massage it a little bit. There's damage on this side as well. This is a track car, and I just think it looks fabulous. Like, these are just little things gonna look like that, basically. So this need to obviously come out more. See that? So this whole piece is in a little bit. Let's focus on here. Alright, it looks a little bit better. We need to hammer out here, make sure this is blending in nicely. Marker would be ideal, but I don't have it, so I just went with my drill bit and just kind of marked the holes right there. So yeah, I'm gonna make the holes, put it back on there, mark where the holes line on the bumper, take it off, drill holes in there. Alright, we're done. This took way more than I thought, but I'm happy how it turned out, and I think it was totally worth it. Oh shit, now I'm looking at it, it might need another screw here. I tried not to use too many screws because you had the little clips, but as you can see, the fitment is fucking doesn't get better than that. I am happy with this.